Hello, Meng.
Hi.
Well, welcome. How does you pronounce your name? Meng
You
Chan.
can pronounce my name as Meng Meng Chan, but you can call me Meng.
All right. I'll call you Meng. What are you, Meng? Where are you from?
I'm from the Philippines. How about you?
Right. Oh, you want a battle?
Ben! Yeah, I got you. I'm sorry. I'm just talking with my viewers right now.
All right. That's fine. That's fine. All right.
For the English tayo. How about you? I still remember you. Oh my God, si Ben.
What do you mean? You remember me?
I'm not, no, I'm a viewers.
You have a lot of viewers right now. It's
No,
more.
I only have 8 viewers on my end. How about you?
I have like 25 right now.
Wow, you're such a famous person.
No, I'm famous. You do have a lot of followers. What do you do on TikTok? What do you do? Like live stream only?
I'm not a live streamer, but before I used to do live streaming like for almost 2 years and I just stopped.
Why? Why did you stop?
Because I work and I don't have enough time to do live streaming anymore.
Is it exhausting? No.
Not really, but because of the time frame of my work, so it stops me from, yes.
Saan ka sa Pilipinas, Meng?
Oh my God, kuya naman! Oh my God, kuya naman! Nakakainis! Nakakainis. Ayoko na, mag-eenda ako, pasaway ka. Tanatawanan na ako ng mga viewer ko.
Galing mo nga eh.
Kuya naman eh.
Jeet, tama Jeet, di ba? Di baling matalo basta na-prank natin si Meng.
Akala ko foreigner ka, kuya. Ano ba yan?
No, actually, I am. I'm from other country. I live in the Philippines. That's why I speak Tagalog very well.
Totoo ba? But, are you full-blooded Filipino?
No.
Anong half mo?
I'm half, yeah. I'm half Indian.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. So, well, hello everybody.
Na-prank mo ako doon Ang galing mo. Akala ko marunong mag-Tagalog.
I'm running a little business here in the Philippines.
Oh, wow. Where?
Like, yeah, it's pretty famous. A lot of people is like getting on it right now. Like, nagpapautang ako ng kumot, rice cooker. Gusto mo utang?
Hindi halata sa'yo, in fairness. Kung totoo man niya.
20 arawan.
Umbay daw. Boy. Totoo ba?
Legit ka!
Puntahan mo ko sa shop ko kasi kailangan ko ng puhunan, kuya. So, baka umutang ako sa'yo.
Wow.